What is up, YouTube? It is I, Devontae here. Today we're going to be doing a quick update, just talking about what exactly that I am involved in. Today is the past, and always look forward to the future. So right now, everything is currently the same as it ever was. I haven't added anything new to the last year being broke plan. Here is least ad space. As soon as you log in, you have to watch like a 5-second ad that you can pay for, or you can choose not to. But this could be your capture page right here that promotes your capture page and your business as well. And that's good traffic, good advertisement for your business and yourself. So here, ads by least ad space. Find out how to advertise right here. You can either open up this offer in a new window or proceed to Feature Ad Pro. That's what I'm going to do, but that's very powerful because you can have people come to your site more often. As you can see, there's 451 people online at least ad space right now, so there's plenty of people to market to and promote to on this platform. And the traffic is also pretty good as well. I'm going to go to the ad board, and if you don't know about Feature Ad Pro, if you refer someone to buy a traffic package from lease ad space, you get an instant Bitcoin commission. So you can go down right here. As you can see, someone just got a commission 7 minutes ago, and yeah, these are the most recent sales. And this right here is the ad board. You have people promoting their particular businesses, and as you can see, it is very active. These are people who have posted here within the last hour. Last couple of hours. And you can have the same opportunity to send a blast out promoting yourself as well. And that's just some of the things that you can do with lease ad space. And as far as everything else goes, lead lightning power lead system, what I should do. But yeah, this is my current capture page for last year being brokeplan.com. And so I got lease ad space, lead lightning power lead system, and we have the traffic platforms that I created this with the power lead system back when I upgraded. I did just downgrade. So, but you can still, when you upgrade to the power lead system, you can still have the opportunity to promote unique and create unique sales funnels like this. So let's say if I had it connected, I can have my leads could opt in right here, and then this is what they call a bridge page. As soon as they opt in, they get presented with a business plan. And this is also a good way to get more views to your YouTube channel, to YouTube videos, because if I'm running traffic to my sales funnel, and I have my video in my sales funnel, and I'm buying traffic, sending traffic to it, I'm not only am I getting more leads and getting more exposure to my business, I'm also getting more views. Because if you incorporate your video into what this is called a bridge page, then your leads and your traffic will see your video, and you will get more views. But on this bridge page, I have all the traffic platforms like Udemy, ChrisClicks, MLM Leads, and Feature Ad Pro. I'm not really active in Feature Ad Pro right now for various reasons that I don't want to get into right now. That's why I haven't been promoting Feature Ad Pro, but I'm gonna take that off. But yeah, these are just a few traffic platforms. I will have all of the remaining traffic platforms in the description. So yes, thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to create a quick video showing you, quick updates, since it has been a few days, a few weeks since you guys have seen me last. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the inside.